Hi. So for those of you who wanted an update on the rims that I put on the tires, because I managed to make them flush, you can see, and I had no problems with the gaps. So I make them like this now. So like flush it here inside the back. It's like from here, as you can see, it's good. Not that bad. Let me show you the size. So these are the articulator Toyo Proxys, and with the 245 4515 at the front, and these are the non-Kong AR1. The size is 245, you see it, 245 4015. So I hope you enjoyed this small video of the update after a lot of years with them. These are on BC coilovers, and they have had no trouble with the tires hitting the fenders. I have a little bit of gap at the rear, yes, but like this I daily it, and I haven't had any problems. I hope you like this update of the rims and the fitment of those. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.